Yeah, starting shotgun. The 9 car, that's Creston, Iowa's Logan Richards. 5 cars scheduled for 5 laps. Down to the green tire and past the green tire to the start cone here on the front straightaway. Straight here, Scott Hennigan's going to take it down into 1-2 for the race leader Scheimer right there on the top side. Hoover now going to step to the outside. Hoover's going to take the second spot down the back straightaway. Hey Bailey, I have your wallet. Hoover takes the race lead. Into 1-2, that 27 machine picks up a nice round there on the center exit of the speedway. Now we're going to maintain that race lead out of the back straightaway. Now here comes Russell. Russell does seem to have a little bit more straightaway speed in the 3 and 4. Hennigan now for third, going side by side with Scheimer. Hennigan, hold on to it. Keeps you on the speedway. We are going to stay clean and green. One now though as Keegan Russell is catching your race leader in the 1-2. Down the back straightaway, Tyler Hoover is your race leader. Keegan Russell right now into that second spot. Still side by side for your final invert. Hennigan much better corner. Going side by side with Scheimer on the 4. Scheimer's going to maintain the spot by now. Here's the takes the first spot down the straightaway. Big old town of Blanchard, Iowa's Scott Hennigan in that third spot now, the 34. Into 3 and 4, Tyler Hoover is your race leader still this time by. White flag is going to come out one more time around. Russell does seem to have a little bit more straightaway speed for Hoover. Right now maintains about a car length advantage over Russell. The drag race down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. Off of corner number 4, down the front straightaway. Checker's going to fly into a former check champion. Give it to 27 Hoover. Second goes to Russell.